Hi guys, quick video here. I've had a few requests to open my room up and do some live trading like we did around Christmas time. It's quite successful. Quite a few people come and traded with me. So I'm offering that again. There'll be a link down below under the title, Come Trade With Me. Click that link and book yourself a seat and come and trade with me, and we'll show you how we trade live every day using fractals, using our AI tools. Everything that we do, you can come and trade live. I'll explain it all, and let's make some money together. I'll show you, I'll just share a screen and I'll show you what I mean by some of the things. So interesting things to know if you trade in the markets. How important is it to know the daily, the mustard 4-hour support and resistances? What is a cash pivot? Why is a daily high so important? Why is camera the breakout long? CBOS, what do these mean? How do we trade these? These are all really important things that we trade every single day. I'll just flip that over into our FX screens. And yeah, here's our AI tools. These are all the different filters. We'll be using these, showing you how to trade, what to trade, and why to trade them. Lots of different filters. We've over 60 different types of AI filters. And we just click the filters, find out what there is to trade, press the buttons, and it'll tell us instantly what to trade. And quite nice little tool here. And we use this all the time. You press the button and the market automatically sets everything up for you. In this case, it's Kiwi USD ready to go short. So hit the come trade with me button with me link. You'll see this sign up screen that'll appear from my website. Ready for the 1st of March. We start at 10 to 8 in the morning, and in those 10 minutes before the European Open, I'll tell you what's happened in the world very quickly, what we're going to do, why we're going to do it, and what tool we're going to use, and what strategy we're going to use to do that. For all those people that have already got Fractal tools, this will show you how to use them, how to configure them, and how to use them in earnest. We'll open up again about 2:15. Each session's about an hour and a half. Just put your name in here, your email in here, and just type the word yes in here. Yes, you want to join, and click send. If you want to subscribe for offers and discounts and things, put your email in here, and that will put us into the database, and you will get discount vouchers. So I think you might enjoy it. And 1st of March, so not many days away. Sign up and then come and join me, and hopefully we'll have a good time trading. See you on the other side. Don't forget, click the trade with me button and get signed up today, and I will see you very shortly.